Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. In this video, we will be learning how to delete archived chats in ChatGPT. To delete archived chats, first of all, open up your ChatGPT application and from the home page, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the top left corner. In the expanded menu, click the three dots right next to your username at the bottom. This will open up the settings menu. From the settings menu, go ahead and tap on archived chats. All of the chats that you've archived will be displayed over here on this page. To delete the archived chat, press and hold the conversation and click on delete. In the pop-up, click delete once again, and that's how you easily delete your archived chats in ChatGPT. Your archived chat has now been permanently deleted. Once deleted, it cannot be recovered, so make sure before confirming. So that's how it's done. I hope you found the video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.